These are the best Vaseline body lotions for fair skin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always sticking around. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below so that you can get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And please do not forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about 5 best Vaseline body lotions for fair skin. If you're looking to achieve that beautiful fair glowing skin, then you definitely need to keep on watching, because all the body lotions I'm going to be showing you in this video will help to maintain and glow your fair skin. So let's dive right into it. Now, the first best Vaseline body lotion for fair skin that I'm going to be talking to you guys about is this Vaseline Healthy Bright Daily Brightening Even Tone Body Lotion. This is one of the best Vaseline body lotion for fair skin. So if you want your fair skin to be popping, you definitely need to add this in your skincare routine. This is one body lotion I recommend for you to use. Vaseline is one skincare brand that have been around for ages, and you understand that everyone's skin is unique. So using this Vaseline Daily Brightening Body Lotion is going to help even out your skin tone and brighten up your skin. It contains vitamin B3 and triple sunscreen. So in other words, this particular body lotion is going to help even out your complexion, brighten up your skin, and prevent your skin from getting darker. So if you want to maintain that glowy, fair looking skin, then I'll definitely advise you get this particular body lotion. It's going to help brighten up your fair skin tone and give you that nice looking complexion. It's not going to bleach your skin, darken your skin, or damage your skin. It's only going to help maintain a healthy glowing complexion. So if you're looking for a body lotion that will brighten, maintain, and glow your fair skin tone, then this would definitely have to be it. This particular body lotion can be used on both your face and your body, but if you want to use this on your face, I would advise you do a patch test first before applying it to your face. It's a very nice body lotion, and all you need is to be consistent with it for you to see the results. The big size of this body lotion currently retails at a price of 5,000 naira, whereas the smaller size actually retails at a price of 3,000 or 3,500, depending on where you're getting it from. It's a really nice body lotion that will help to maintain and glow your fair skin. The next or second Vaseline body lotion for fair skin that I'll be talking about is this Vaseline Intensive Care Healthy Even Tone Body Lotion. Now, imagine a body lotion that does not only wonderfully keep your skin hydrated, but it also helps to even out your skin tone and give it a more radiant look. That's exactly what this Vaseline Healthy Even Tone Body Lotion is going to do for your skin. It's going to help nourish your fair skin, and the vitamin B3 in it, which serves as the secret ingredient, will help to brighten up your skin, even out your skin tone, and give you that nice fair glowing skin. This is one body lotion that I personally have used in the past, and is nothing short of amazing. It's going to help blend your complexion and give it a shiny glow. I actually have a full review video of this particular body lotion on my channel, and all I'm going to say is you should go test and see. This is one lotion that you add in your skincare routine, and your skin is going to have you to thank for it. It retails at a price of 3,500 naira or more, depending on where you're getting it from. This particular lotion can be used on both your face and your body. So all you need to do is also carry out a patch test if you intend on using it on your face. Now, the next or third Vaseline body lotion for fair skin that we are going to be talking about is this Vaseline Intensive Care Aloe Soothe Body Lotion. This body lotion right here is one of a kind. It's formulated with 100% pure aloe vera extract, and as we all know, aloe vera is well known to soothe, hydrate, and plump your skin. So that is exactly what this particular body lotion is going to do on your fair skin. This body lotion is suitable for all skin types and complexion, and is going to help maintain your skin health. It's going to make your fair skin look more healthy and even. So if you want that healthy and supple complexion, just give this lotion a try. You're going to love it. It's so cooling on the skin, and is going to help soothe your skin and maintain your skin. I have also used this body lotion in the past, and I'm going to tell you for a fact, it's goodness in a bottle. This body lotion is super amazing and is suitable for all skin types and complexion. It's a body lotion that will help to nourish your skin, maintain your skin without damaging your skin. This particular body lotion is suitable for people with damaged skin barrier because it's going to help repair your damaged skin barrier and give you a more healthy glowing complexion. It retails at the cost of 3,000 naira for the small bottle and is a very nice body lotion for a fair skin person to use. Now the next or fourth Vaseline body lotion for fair skin I'll be talking about is this Vaseline Radiant X Even Tone Nourishing Body Lotion. This is the newest Vaseline body lotion right now in the market and is going to have your fair skin glowing. The formulation of this body lotion is super amazing. It's formulated with a blend of niacinamide, coconut oil, vitamin C, peptides. If you know anything about niacinamide, you will know that it's going to help even out your complexion and give you that brighter glowing skin. And same thing goes with your vitamin C, which is going to help brighten your skin and tackle any form of dark spots on your skin. So using this particular body lotion on your skin is going to brighten up your skin and clear out any form of blemishes like dark spots on your body. It's a really nice body lotion. It doesn't feel greasy on the skin and is so moisturizing. Applying this body lotion on your skin is going to give you that instantly glowing skin. The coconut oil in this body lotion is going to keep your skin super soft and hydrated, whereas the peptides in this body lotion is going to give your skin that bouncy and firm look. Like with this particular body lotion, you're going to be able to fight and prevent any form of aging signs on your skin. This lotion is so amazing. It's suitable for all skin types. So if you want a brighter, glowing, fair looking skin with no form of blemishes on your skin, then this is one Vaseline body lotion I recommend you try. It's going to make your fair skin glow and is also going to help get rid of any form of dark spots on your body. It currently retails at the price of $13.98 on Amazon. So you can actually get this body lotion and glow your fair skin. The fifth or final Vaseline body lotion for fair skin on my list is this Vaseline Intensive Care Advanced Repair Lotion. This is another amazing body lotion for fair skin. This particular body lotion is suitable for people with sensitive skin and dry skin. This body lotion is going to help moisturize your skin and give your skin the repair it needs. This body lotion is going to help moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin, and repair your skin. It's a very nice body lotion for anyone battling with eczema or dehydrated skin. It's going to help nourish your skin, moisturize your skin, and give it a radiant, glowy look. This is a very nice body lotion. So this is a body lotion that I personally have also used in the past, and I'm going to tell you it's very nice on the skin and it's going to help repair your skin and rejuvenate your skin. So if you're someone battling with a dry skin, sensitive skin, or dehydrated skin, then I recommend you use this particular body lotion. It's going to help moisturize, glow, and nourish your fair skin tone. It retails at the price of 3,000 naira depending on where you're getting it from. It's an amazing body lotion that you can use to glow your fair skin. Now, for those of you that will still come and ask, Judith, can I use my Vaseline body lotion on my face? Well, it all depends. I will not advise you use your body lotion on your face, but if you must, I will advise you do a patch test first to see how it works or reacts on your face before you dive into using it properly. I've also been getting lots of questions on, does Vaseline body lotion bleach the skin? Well, Vaseline body lotion do not in any way bleach your skin. They only help you to achieve that brighter, glowing skin. So it's only going to help even out your skin tone and give you that nice fair looking complexion. So their body lotions do not in any way bleach the skin. Vaseline is a trusted skincare brand and they've actually been around for ages. That is to show you that they know what they are doing. They are tested and trusted and they do not formulate bleaching body lotions. So yeah, that is simply it on the 5 best Vaseline body lotions for fair skin. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.